That could have.
I've never done that. Look at that.
Well guys, VidCon is actually over. It was so much fun. We're all very exhausted from a very eventful 3 days. And what better way to wind down than the OC Fair? We've never been here before. It is quite large. We're here with Will and Alexi from Contiki. Oh, back in my hometown. This one's got a really good name. Which one is it?
It's the skinnier of the two.
Alexi, how very caveman of you. / Viking. Also very like iconic fair thing to do.
I think of that as like Greek, like yeah, like you back in the day.
I have seen more fried food in the past 4 minutes than I have in my entire life. That right there is a sign for fried Oreos. Yep. Really look at the giant zucchini.
Wait, this turnip looks bigger.
Look at it compared to my hand.
Yeah, a kohlrabi.
Oh. Giant avocado.
She got big things.
Big things, big veggies in a little house.
Yeah, beet. That could be.
That's huge. And this is the largest sunflower head. Put your hand over so I can see.
Look at the largest grapefruit right next to it.
Oh.
He's got big hands. Don't let him.
And here's the largest pumpkin. That is crazy.
That would make a sweet chocolate.
Look at this thing. This is the touch table.
Okay, so
Oh my gosh, that's heavy. That's like 8 pounds. Look at these two squash that grew together. They're connected.
when to become one.
Look how giant this ox is. It's probably 6 feet tall.
Taller than 6 feet.
Really?
Not 6 feet.
It's giant.
He's happy to be with the people he knows. This one, he swings. He's about 6 feet.
Look at this tunnel of lima bean.
Whip it out, yeah. And he was like, yeah, I just got tired of it, so now I'm still
Alexi's riding in the back. We're going for a little spin.
That was sweet. That's awesome.
That is so cool. Really?
That's amazing.
When you're on Balboa Island, you have to get a frozen banana.
I love it so much.
It's your favorite
It's
dessert.
like ice cream, but it's better.
It's so good.
Look at that.
Come on, partner, we're gonna go get yogurt.
Kev, I feel like your hair must have grown while we were there.
I'm so tired.
I know. Look at that little baby bun. It's not a very sharp knife.
There we go. Hablando sobre el 7. Is Sophie included?
Oh my god, Elena.
She's my cherry pie.
Hi.
That's hideous.
Hey, baby.
Oh, and he's the model.
Oh, stop. That's good.
No, it's not. It goes to right there.
Paella is served.
Oh, that was a gross noise.
Look at that. A little dinner on the coffee table. Alright, we are in the camper. We had a delicious dinner at Hannah's house. We wanted to stay longer, but I think we're going to head out early tomorrow morning and meet up with Kev's family in Monterey. I'm so excited to be back in our little fort bed. It's very cozy in here. And we tried to park by the water, but all the spots were taken. And I don't think you're allowed to park there overnight. So we're just kind of in Hannah's neighborhood. And I think this is probably going to be the best night's sleep we got the past 3 days, because we were up early every day at VidCon and up very, very late at night. So we're going to get a good night's sleep, and I hope you guys have an awesome morning, afternoon, night, wherever you are in the whole world. We will see you tomorrow.